Hello viewers. So we have come here at Dog Sanctuary today since Supreme Court has issued very strict guidelines on the stray dogs. So this Dog Sanctuary is first of its kind in Punjab. It has a capacity of about 500 dogs, but presently there are about 60 dogs here. So these are being taken care of by Dr. Sulbha Jindal. Let's talk to her and we'll check what kind of issues is she facing. So Dr. Sulbha, welcome to Tribune. Just tell me, so how many dogs are there?
We have about 60 dogs here at the moment.
Okay. So what kind of issues are you facing?
A lot.
Okay.
So, see, there are no clear guidelines by the Supreme Court yet, as their hearing is still pending. So, उन्होंने एक इनिशियली एक प्रपोजल दिया था कि हर गवर्नमेंट हर जगह की एमसी अपना एक शेल्टर बनाए जहाँ पे डॉग्स रखे जाएं. बट आई फील कि इट्स आई डोंट नो प्रैक्टिकली हाउ दिस कैन टेक शेप, हु विल टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बिकॉज द मोमेंट दिस वॉज अनाउंस्ड इट इज़ नॉट ऑन पेपर येट, बट द मोमेंट इट इज़ अनाउंस्ड all our residents have started considering it that probably these shelters are going to be dumping grounds where anything and everything can be dumped.
Okay.
So we have to understand that when we talk about coexistence, how can we can't just dump everything. It's for stray dogs and for those dogs who are problem for the citizens or dogs that cannot survive on their own outside. It's not for normal healthy dogs who don't even say anything and is living peacefully in its area. You are not going to bring it here and dump it here. Especially I come across a lot of people who have started dumping their bad tempered dogs in the name of stray dogs. So पहले जब dog रखते हैं, they just pick up dog without seeing what is the genetic, what is the temperament of the dog. They raise it. Once it has been there for some time, कभी घर पे किसी को काट लिया या ग्राउल कर दिया, यहाँ पे ले आते हैं डब करने को कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला जी यहाँ छोड़ के जाना है.
Right. So, Sulbha, are you getting any help from MC, or the expenses are borne by the MC, or you are doing everything for them?
So see, till now there was no such criteria or concept of things being done for dogs yet. But yes, after we had started this setup, so MC has been in contact with us. They are trying to figure it out how they can be a part of this and how we can do that in future for the rest of the Ludhiana and for other cities. So they are still planning it.
They are still planning. So what is the response of the residents towards these dogs? Are they coming with feed, or are they coming to adopt them?
So no, we've not had any adoptions yet. But yes, some of the dog lovers, they have come forward and tried to inquire how this is being run and probably trying to see how they can be a part of it. But जब हम उन रेजिडेंट्स की बात करते हैं जिन्होंने डॉग्स छोड़ने आने हैं, we have to tell them and we have to make it clear to them that you have to understand this is not a dumping place for dogs. अगर हम ऐसे कुछ भी रखना शुरू हो जाएंगे तो जो एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम का सल्यूशन है वो डाइल्यूट हो जाएगा. जिस एक्चुअल कारण के लिए बनी है कि वो डॉग्स जो लोगों को तंग करते हैं वो आए, वो तो बाहर ही रह जाएंगे, जो बेचारे इनोसेंट है वो अंदर आ जाएंगे.
Right.
So
in case these are facing any problem, the dogs are facing any problems, so are there any veterinarians who come and do the checkup and all treatment?
Yeah. So I myself am a veterinary doctor and I've been practicing for about 20 years now. Also I've been associated with Dr. Mangat, who has been contributing here a lot. अभी तक जितने भी सर्जरीज या ट्रीटमेंट हो रहे थे वो उनके हॉस्पिटल में हो रहे थे. So I think 2 vets, we are both here and we're trying to provide any kind of medical help, treatment, surgery which is required.
Sulbha, केसेस आ रहे हैं तो उसके लिए क्या एक परमानेंट सोल्यूशन होना चाहिए?
सबसे पहले तो जी आगे पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल करने का सोल्यूशन है स्टरलाइजेशन एंड वैक्सीनेशन. जो डॉग स्टरलाइज हो रहा है, बिकॉज स्टरलाइज होने से एक तो आगे पॉपुलेशन नहीं बढ़ेगी और जो ऑलरेडी हैं वो कुछ काम डाउन हो जाते हैं, उनमें उनके टेम्परामेंट में बहुत फ़र्क होता है. दूसरा थोड़ा सा हमें टॉलरेंट होना पड़ेगा डॉग्स की तरफ. अगर हम हर वक्त कुत्तों को मारी जाएंगे, भूखा रखेंगे, तो हाउ डू वी एक्सपेक्ट कि उनका टेम्परामेंट अच्छा हो जाएगा. तो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा उनको खाना देना पड़ेगा, उनके प्रति थोड़ा ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड पे उनको ट्रीट करना पड़ेगा, ताकि जो देखो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओवरनाइट ये सारे कुत्ते उठ के शेल्टर में बंद नहीं हो जाने. तो अब जब हमें उनके साथ रह ही रहे हैं तो क्यों ना अच्छे तरीके से रह लें, जिससे वो हमें थ्रेटन होकर हार्म ना पहुंचाए.
Thanks for watching. This is Shivani Bhakku for Tribune with cameraman Ashwini Dhaman.